Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 1, that is the homeostasis. Let's start with the fill in the blank. So the first fill in the blank is dash is the ability of an organism to regulate its fluid content. इसका right answer है osmoregulation. Second fill in the blank है the detoxification of ammonia to dash require the precursor of ornithine. तो ornithine जहाँ बनता है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं यूरिया. Third है in kidney nephron is closely related with the network of peritubular capillaries. Fourth है in insects salt and water reabsorption take place in the dash. तो right option है rectum. Fifth है the antidiuretic hormone act on dash to promote the reabsorption of water in vertebrate nephrons. तो right option है collecting tubules. The nephrons that are arranged along the border of the cortex and medulla with the tubular system looping deep in the inner medulla are called dash nephrons. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं juxtamedullary nephrons. Seventh है the non-surgical procedure of removing the kidney stones is termed a lithotripsy. Dash is the homeostatic thermostat in the human. तो इसका right option है hypothalamus. इसके साथ ही हमारी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द MCQs.